Hello, welcome
Hello.
to Brits American Tour. You're with me, BP1 and BP2. Today we are back in Texas, looking at Highland Park. Now, Highland Park is apparently one of the more richest parts of Texas. And there's a few videos floating out there and about. One is around the whole village or the part of the city in Dallas specifically. What does a luxury living in Highland Park look like today? So that's what we're looking at, a luxury living.
Luxury living.
Yeah.
We could do with a bit of that,
real
mate.
estate.
All right.
We could. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we could definitely do with that. All right.
Yeah, sticking in Texas. We got the old Texas Longhorns game, SEC game out as well. So
We have, yeah, we enjoyed that.
what's
So
going on in Texas? Let's have a look at this place, mate. Highland Park. All right.
let's do it. Okay, it's nice. Suburbia.
Suburbia. Yeah, golf course. Nice.
So if you're thinking about moving to Highland Park, that's exactly where we're headed to today. We're gonna cruise around Highland Park and give you a pretty good overview of everything that's happening there. As you know, one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in all of Texas. And I call it the Beverly Hills of Dallas. And so you're going to
Maybe we won't be moving there then.
homes on the market. Still, that hasn't slowed anything down here in Dallas. Everything is selling pretty quickly. Average days on market is already just at 30 days on market, even in the price point.
30 days, not even a month.
Which on average you won't find anything less than 1.5 million. So we're going to take you over there.
Oh
show
dear.
You around. We'll show you around Highland Park Village. Some
We're
cool
out.
spots, club, and feature a couple of homes that are for sale in that neighborhood right now. And let's get after it.
Wow. Mate, when you said
Yes,
I thought I'm in
please.
here. $1.5 grand.
Before we start the tour today, we definitely got to grab a bite to eat. And we're right here in Highland Park Village, which was the birthplace
Highland
of
Park
outdoor
Village.
shopping actually in
Okay.
the United States. So, but nobody gets by their weekend without coming to brunch first. And the best spot to come is Bistro 31. So let's go grab a bite.
Okay. Rolex and Dior are the only two shops I've spotted so far.
Comes to Bistro 31. On the weekends, you probably want to call ahead because it is always packed out, especially during brunch time, of course. We stopped in a little bit later in the afternoon just so we could grab a quick
Not
bite.
my
You can
thing.
see here I got the mushroom risotto, and we've got some the salmon Caesar, some Brussels sprouts, steak frites. It's absolutely amazing. So you definitely want to check out Bistro 31, which is the spot to come check out.
Okay.
Look at him, he loves himself.
Yeah. All right, Mum? Yeah.
Yeah, all right, Mum, yeah.
And you got to grab a great cup of coffee, of course, after you have that amazing lunch. You can see the Starbucks right behind me. This is the go-to spot in the morning and pretty much all day. That place
There's no one else there.
It's where a lot of people go to do the work, but also mainly just to hang out and lounge around and be seen.
Is it me or was that a gutter with copper? Copper guttering there, did we see that?
You can see Trina Turk right
Ah,
above me.
Valentina.
We got Tom Ford, Cartier.
Okay.
I mean, every
Bandia.
single high-end shop that you're looking for is right here in Highland Park Village. Now let's go check out a couple of homes though.
Mate.
Oh, yeah.
Right with you. Be right with you. Here we go. Bloody hell.
Nice.
The front lawn.
Yeah. A ride. You need a ride on for the front lawn.
Nicely tended, yes.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Now, once you're in Highland Park and you make the
Which has
move
been
here,
trimmed
you are
nicely.
definitely going to want to join the country club. However, it's
Ah.
by invitation only, so you have to
Of course
have
it is.
2 current members invite you exclusively to the membership here. Now, the country club was founded in 1896, well over 100 years ago, so it is
Wow.
a Dallas tradition. On top of that, it spans over 117 acres, one of the best golf courses in the city, and it's all right here. Plus,
And
you
what's
have
the
the other
membership
parks
price?
all around the Turtle Creek area.
He hasn't mentioned that yet.
Runs through
Yeah.
here. So definitely a lot to enjoy here. There are a couple of really nice parks in Highland Park area. First of all, Lakeside Park. It's one of the most beautiful and expansive parks in all of Highland Park.
Is
And
it
it's surrounded
free?
by gorgeous homes, a lake, and mature trees.
Look at
And one
that.
of the most notable features of this park is the teddy bears. These sculptures were designed by artist J.T. Williams and were donated on the Christmas Eve of 1995 by the Harlan Crow family, whose 7.7-acre, 34,000
Wow.
square foot home, valued at $54 million, sits right on the other side of the pathway of the
Jeez.
teddy bears, and it's guarded by a police officer 24/7.
Yeah.
Now, on the north side of the park, you can see there is a massive home. This home is extremely beautiful, and you will find many just like it in the Highland Park area. It has 6 bedrooms,
What's going
14
on? Look at
bathrooms,
this
and
guy.
Yeah, I'll
valued
turn
at
it down actually. It's a bit too. I won't be able to cut that
$39.5
edge.
with a lake view full of ducks and geese. There's walking paths and numerous benches all along the way, perfect for places for a leisurely stroll. You can enjoy the scenic views from the bridge
Not
at the
one
top of
person out
Twelve
there.
Creek Dam, the tranquility of the Reed Memorial, so you can enjoy
Oh.
just a stroll or sitting down and watching all of the wildlife.
Where did I get this music from? Look at that, every house, mate, one after the other, is like 1 million, 1.5 million minimum. That is a place, right?
That's impressive. Look at that.
Oh, Now, when you're in
Empty
Highland
lot.
Park, you're going to find a wide variety of homes, but a lot of them from the 1920s, early 1900s, even late 1800s. For example, this home we're coming up on right now was built in 1923. It's on the market actually for just under $12 million, almost 9,000 square feet. And you'll find a lot of these older homes, some of them have been restored, some
I was
of them
going
have
to
not. But
say.
you'll also find, like right across the street where you've got an open lot, you will see this coming on more and more to where developers are tearing down some of these homes, building up the new construction, and you get
I was gonna
custom built
say.
from the ground up. If you've seen some of
They can't be like 1920 because we done a video on American homes with being wood. It just wouldn't last that long.
They don't look like they're made out of wood, mate. I don't
Exactly.
know, but yeah.
So they
But,
look brick
yeah.
built, and maybe when we're going back that sort of time, maybe elements are, but surely houses like that they can't be, right?
I wouldn't have thought so. But you know, to have an empty lot, you probably bought a house for 10 million just to knock it down
Just to
for
knock
the
it
lot.
down. Yeah, and then you've got to
Oh, mate.
rebuild it again.
Oh no!
All right.
the other
Wow.
homes we feature on this channel. Of course, we feature some of the best builders here in Highland Park and Preston Hollow, and they custom build these types of homes as well. So if you're looking for something that's very specific, that's a great way to do that. Or you can get into one of these older homes and look at remodeling it on your own. But let's go check out another spot.
So no, I quite like the older homes though. I just quite like the way
I mean,
it's.
they got, look, they've got some character, haven't they?
Yeah.
All right, so we're over here in the Knox area. Now, this is not exactly Highland Park. It's just right on the border of Highland Park, but this is one of the other main shopping areas for all of the residents of Highland Park. Because it borders it, they come over here. You can see we're walking right by.
Oh,
They just
right,
built
Apple.
this brand new restoration hardware, which of course, beautiful furniture. You've got the Yeti store over here. You got Lululemon. You've got Starbucks. You've got Pottery Barn. You've got all your other high-end shopping right here in these boutique shops, and a lot of small business owners as well. So that's what residents love about here. Lots of great restaurants too, because you have McKinney Avenue, which we're actually walking up right now. And of course, McKinney Avenue, one of the best streets in all of Dallas for restaurants, shops, and bars everywhere here in the Dallas area. Let's go check out another spot.
When you eat
Another
it,
park in
you
Highland
don't
Park
eat, do you?
is
You don't
Flippin' Park.
cook.
And
No,
you can see
that's it.
right off to the side of Flippin' Park, we have a 4-bedroom, 4-bath modern farmhouse, and that's valued at $2.4 million. But
Okay.
Flippin' Park is really known as a small romantic area surrounded by residences. There's a gazebo that is a perfect place to enjoy the beautiful landscape grounds and the fountain.
We wouldn't be welcome. Not we walk over there with our sandwiches.
In a little bag.
Why are they putting a pickleball court in the middle of this green?
As well as the reflecting pool. Residents of Highland Park may reserve Flipping Park for wedding ceremonies or other events. Now, Abbott Park is a little bit smaller, but comes with a tennis court
Can
and a
reserve
jungle
the
gym. You can see
park.
there's plenty of places for the whole family to play. And right behind the hedge is the Katy Trail. So Abbott Park is
one person on
conveniently
that.
located
No.
at the edge of Highland Park, and you can hop on the Katy Trail and enjoy a nice bike ride, jog, or leisurely stroll through the Katy Trail all the way to Uptown and other parts of the Dallas area, where you can enjoy tons of shopping, drinks, bars, and restaurants.
Okay. No size of that thing, mate.
This block is a perfect example
funny.
here in Highland Park of all of the different style of homes you can find here. You can see right over here, brand new construction. Looks like it's going
Yeah,
to be
but I don't
wood.
like it. I don't like it. I
You see
prefer
on
the
right
old
side of me, the left side
character.
of you, this beautiful Mediterranean villa right here.
Yeah,
that is
that's smart.
absolutely gorgeous. And then if we go even back to the other side, you have more of a traditional style home with a
Yeah,
little
that's
mix
cool.
of some
Just need to lick a
colonial in
paint.
there as well. Then we're coming up on a colonial style home, and then right across the street is another modern
That's
transitional
nice.
new construction. And you also find a lot of Tudors, which are my favorite
Yeah,
here in the
that's
Highland
nice
Park
as well.
area. And those are usually in the
Look at that
100-year-old
driveway.
range.
It's like a
with the
castle,
Tudor
isn't it?
styles
Wow.
homes here
How
in
many
Highland Park. So
chimneys?
you get a wide variety.
Yeah.
Ultimately, you can find beautiful older homes that if you want to remodel, you can build from the ground up. But I tell you what, homes are going quickly here. Just within the last 3 months, the average days on market here in Highland Park is 30 days. Now that's pretty much unheard of, and you're talking about a price point on average of 3.3 million and a price per square foot right around $600 to $650 as the
I don't know how they
average.
do it,
So
man.
you factor in all those.
$600 a
seen
square
any
foot.
type of home sales like that here in this area, and I mean really ever. But because of this market, because of the influx, everybody that's coming in, there's a high demand, and the inventory right now is extremely limited as well. Even in
People
this
don't
price
use
point.
pavements
So it's
either.
just something
Above.
that you have
Yeah,
to act
just one
fast on
person.
if you're planning to
Sidewalk,
make
sorry,
that move.
sidewalks.
Not just act fast, but to be decisive. Find out if this is going to be a good fit for you, and we just got to run the numbers, look at what you want to do. If you're interested in custom builds, of course, again, as we mentioned, we work with some of the best custom builders here in the Highland Park and Preston Hollow areas, and they will build you an absolutely gorgeous home. So we hope you found this helpful. And again, if you're making the move to the Park Cities or Preston Hollow,
Wow.
feel free
That's
to
some
reach
big
out
old
whether you're
houses
looking
there,
for
mate.
something that's existing
There
or
is.
your own custom built home. All of our information is in the description below. And until next time, well, we hope to show you around town.
One of the other great benefits of living in Highland Park is the exclusive tennis courts scattered throughout the neighborhood. When we get to Highland Park, especially around the tennis courts, there's lots of elevation changes.
And what you can do is
Yeah.
you can turn
And
these
they're
tennis
all
courts
empty.
into
They're all
pickleball courts.
empty.
They're all empty because no one uses them.
There you go. No, he did a good job, mate. I mean,
He
it was,
did, yeah.
You know,
A bit of
slick
tongue in
polished.
cheek.
Yeah, slickly done, well polished, good editing, lots of good drone shots in there. But I mean, wow, what a place, mate. I mean, you need some serious wedge.
You do, you know, but it's all geared up for it. You know, if you've got the money for that, you got the money for a nice car, you got the money to shop in those places. But I do find them a little bit, you know,
Pretentious.
yeah, because it's all right. You got one big house somewhere that's got a lot of money, and they just they bought it because they've done well in life and whatever. Here, I can't help it when every single house has 1.5 million. You can't be thinking, oh, what's he done? Right, I'm going to do it. Do you know what I mean? You know, these programs, you've got Housewives of whatever.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they've got Housewives of Dallas or something, and they're all trying to
probably
compete
have,
with each other. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It seems a bit clicky, maybe.
We'll
I
all
don't know.
go down to the Rolex shop on Monday and get us
Yeah,
another, you know.
I've hired Finsbury Park for my birthday. Well, I've hired Central Park for mine. You know, that type of thing, you know.
But no, I mean, like I say, interesting introduction to the area, mate.
There you go. Highland Park. Do you live there?
Right.
Are you going to move there? Or like 95% of us, or 99% of us, you're not going to. But there you go. We enjoyed that little tour.
Did indeed.
Thanks to Living in Dallas, Texas, YouTube channel. And enjoyed that.
Well done. Nicely
All
done,
right.
mate. All right, we'll be back
We will.
with something completely different.
Until
See you
then, it's goodbye
Yeah.
from me.
Bye from him.
Bye.
Cheers, living in Dallas.